In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pencil tool. So, the pencil tool is located over here on the left. It looks like a little pencil. Sometimes it is embedded with the smooth tool, the path eraser, or the shaper tool. But the pen tool's quick key is quick key N if you want to learn that. Now, the pen tool is a very simple tool. What it does is it draws strokes. So it's good at drawing lines very quickly in a very free-form fashion. You can notice that these lines adhere to curves, and it does curves quite well. It doesn't quite do straight lines, but that's what tools like the pen tool are good at, is making straight lines. Something that's nice about the pencil tool is that when you get back to the start of it, and we can kind of see, if we look at my cursor, that there's like a end shape, I can let go, and it will connect that as one whole thing. Now, it's only as accurate as your hand is able to draw, but this can be very helpful to quickly construct shapes and then try to connect them together. And I can start off a shape, and then I can connect those things together, and that can be very helpful. Another aspect that's nice about the pencil tool is while it starts off only drawing strokes, so just the outlines of things, as all shapes, one can go through those, and I'm going to select multiple things, but I can change the color of those, as well as I can change facets about the stroke, such as making the stroke line bigger. Notice the difference between shapes that are completed as well as shapes that are incompleted. But the pencil tool is very helpful in the fact that I can go back into things and reconnect them and create completed shapes. The last thing to note about the pencil tool is that if I try to create shapes that have sharp edges, it kind of can get them. We can see that as I look at this shape, it kind of has the corner here, kind of has the corner here. That's why tools like the direct select tool are helpful tools, so that we can then readjust things after we have structured them, as well as other tools like the smooth tool and the pen tool, as well as the anchor select tool, so that we can rework shapes and get things figured out in the way that we actually want them to exist. So that's that on the pencil tool.